Hello everyone, Coco Jojo here. I'm here today going to be showing you. I just got this, well not today, but I bought it off from Walmart. You can also get it from Amazon, but I'd suggest Walmart because it's a little bit kind of cheaper, I guess. It's like at Walmart I got it for like $9.25. But yeah, okay. Here it is. It's just basically a butterfly knife, but the twist is it's actually a pen. So if I just like twist this tip, the pen comes out. If I twist the tip, then the tip of the pen goes in and out. But it's also like it's like a pen and a butterfly knife like mixed. So yeah, and then like these, you can like put them on your pants or whatever. I got it at Walmart for like like I said, $9.25. 25 cents I got it. But yeah. I just mostly do tricks with it. I never actually write with it, but yeah. And if you do have one of these, or if you want to get one, go on Walmart or Amazon. Those are the two places I know. But I got this off of Walmart.com. I don't know if they actually have them in store. I just don't know if they actually have these in store. But yeah, and if you want to learn, like, I want to say, like, basic tricks, I kind of got this off from, like, a different video, like 3 basic tricks that they knew how to do, and, hold on, I also know how to do them, and I also know how to do them, but I already knew how to do it before I watched that video. But yeah, so here's the traditional of like opening and closing. Hold on, let me back up a little. Wait. Why am I messing up? There we go. But yeah, then there's this one where you like flip it up where it's like where it's closed, and this is when like the blade's straight. That's like when the blade's straight. So when these are up, so when these are like upwards, like on top, and these and this this is like the pin bit that sticks, it kind of sticks out. That should be at the bottom. Why is this? Hold on. There we go. It annoys me when it's not all the way in. It was kind of hidden. Like the pen bit that where you put where the pen goes in and out, it should be upside down like this, to where the bolts are on top, and then so what you do is you go like that, like you're gonna open it. Then clumsy me. You do it like you're gonna, okay. So you open it. If I can, yeah, you open it. Then you put your finger like this. Then your thumb so it's like this. And then your thumb goes like that. And then when it's going upside down, you catch it with your middle finger. And then you just remove your middle finger from in between them, and then you just grab it. So in motion, it would look like this if I don't mess up. Oh my god, hold on, let me try it again. Alright, that was like a failish try. Yeah, so I kind of got it. So, hold on. And then, if you do get it up like this, where it's upside down, and you want to close it, and then you just, here, let me close it. You just drop it, and then you just like do a steering motion. And then while you're doing that, you turn it around where it's on this side, where the pin bit, aka the blade, if you do have a real one, on this side, and you just, oh crud, then you just fling it back up and you catch it, and then yeah, you can go stab, stab, stab. If you know that reference, stab, 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 it's actually from, and if you don't, then I'll just say it's from Venturing Tale. And if you know that, comment or something like that. But yeah, I like to use it a lot, but I also don't want to. I like it a lot. I just don't like how it flips out. Because when it's out like this, when I'm closing it, like the blade, like this handle, it like hits my hand in like certain places, and it really hurts me. Well, it hurts my hand. And if you guys, and also if you guys do have one of these, comment down below of how fast you can pull it out, of how fast you can pull out the blade. And when you do comment down below and say how fast, and tell me the time that you pulled it out the fastest, I will actually try and beat your time. So it's a challenge. You guys you gotta set a you guys, if you do have one of these or a real one, time yourself and see how fast you can do it of opening the blade. And then once you get your time, comment down below your time, and then when I look, I will try and beat your time. Because mine's kind of actually fast, but I won't tell you my time until I see if, like, because this is just a challenge. See if you do have a real one, or like one that's a pen. This is just like a butterfly knife pen. So, or if you have one made out of Legos or something, like just anything that's a butterfly knife, like a real one, a pen butterfly knife, or like one made out of Legos. Just comment down below your time. And yeah, that's all I got for today. That's just showing video, like me and my pen butterfly knife pen. So yeah, but yeah, that's all I got for you today. And like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, comment also down below of if you enjoyed it, if you disliked it, I don't care. So yeah, peace.